So, it's cleaning day over here at the house. I just seen a snake over here. It ran under the shed. It's a reoccurring thing. I always see him. I have a good feeling where he is. I already dragged everything out. Let's see if we can catch him. I think he's under this board right here. There he is. Oh! Look at that. That, my friends, is a coach whip. They're very cool. But we're gonna let this guy go. Get him away from here. There's woods all that way, so hopefully he goes that way. And that way he ain't bothering anybody anymore. Don't kill snakes, guys. Just catch them and relocate them. They're harmless animals. There he goes. He's going towards the road. Go the other way. There he goes. Don't kill snakes, guys. Let them live. They're more scared of you than you are of them. Let's see. Look at this. Ah! He ain't gonna bite. And if he does, they're harmless. See, look at that. Harmless little creatures.
Here, I can bet on here.
No, we're not gonna keep them. Here, you wanna hold them one more time?
Yeah.
Give me a big smile. Look at me. Say cheese. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Tell everybody, snakes are harmless, right? Snakes are harmless, right? You like snakes?
Yeah.
Alrighty. If a 3-year-old could do it, you guys can do it too. Yeah, bye snake. Alright. Now we're gonna walk a little bit further into the woods. That way you don't come back. There we go. There he goes. Now he's going that way. Cool.